BOMAG cold milling machines are powerful pieces of precision equipment, developed for layer-by-layer removal of asphalt surfaces and for removing entire road structures. Built for the highest demands of everyday work on construction sites, in performance classes of 300, 500 and 600 horsepower. The weight-optimized cold milling model BM2000/50 has a 2-meter working width in the 500 horsepower class, ideal for average-sized and larger construction projects. Premium surface performance and precise leveling underline the outstanding efficiency of this all-round unit. It operates effortlessly to milling depths of up to 32 centimeters and produces a flawless surface every time. As standard, the BOMAG BM2000/50 has a fully automated folding conveyor belt with a high conveyance rate. The operator has a clear overview thanks to the intelligent arrangement of switches on the console. The side plate can be hydraulically raised to avoid obstacles or to guide the planer along limit marks. To ensure that energy reaches where it's needed, all models have a transverse engine with direct mechanical drive. This means engine power is transferred loss-free to the milling drum. There are no angle transmissions prone to wear. In addition, the centre of gravity lies exactly over the central drum. Consequently, the milling process runs very smoothly, even at high removal rates. BOMAG milling machines are quickly made ready for operation. The storage compartments and lockers provide protection against vandalism, a practical feature, one key for all locks. The tough roof structure is quickly unfolded with hydraulics. Also safely stored, all removable attachments, such as the outside mirror. Ease of operation and protection are provided by the folding access step, which is easy to open and has no complicated attachments. The vandal-proof control console protection is easily lifted away. No complicated storage is needed during operation. The control unit is quickly attached and connected vibration-proof to the control console by screw cap. The engine hood can be opened electro-hydraulically from the control console. Maintenance and service work can be carried out safely and easily from the operator's station thanks to the wide-opening cover and well-thought-out design. It's easy to check the air filter. A large service flap allows access to all hydraulic components. Both water separator and oil level are easy to check. The warning reflectors on the tail of the unit can be easily folded out and safely locked away. Safely housed, the working headlights. Special supports for easy assembly and plenty of adjustment options. For quick daily cleaning, there's the optional high-pressure cleaner. There's also room for the milling tools in the spacious storage compartments. In addition, the cutter holders are stored handily near the crawler tracks. Whether it's the hydraulically raised and lowered side plate, the controller for the crawler tracks, or height adjustment for the machine, all important functions can be operated from the ground. The same applies to the self-locking mould board, which is turned away to allow access to the drum. And this means the sprinkler system is easily maintained. Fast cutter change using the tools supplied. And there's the option of a pneumatic tool for even easier changeover. All BOMAG models have a mechanically or hydraulically folding conveyor belt, which, for transport, is operated from the operator platform. Both the mould board and the hold-down device can also be adjusted from the operator's platform, giving a cleanly milled surface and protection against premature wear. Individual options for adjustment and near-perfect ergonomics. Multiple features for comfortable and effortless one-man operation of the machine. Highly effective, the mechanical track display. Profiles can be precisely and easily copied. The milling depth control is operated simply and intuitively via the BOMAG Intelplaner system. Both the road incline and height control are operated easily from here. With 3 working widths, this entry class for the BOMAG cold milling range offers a full spectrum of applications. Unique in the 300 horsepower class, the BOMAG central rotor concept for an extra boost to maneuverability and clarity. The machines can be maneuvered precisely within narrow areas. Not a centimetre of asphalt remains untreated. You can operate it with your eyes shut. Obstacles can be accurately circumnavigated. Damage is eliminated, refinishing costs are reduced to a minimum. Another example where the machine makes good use of the central rotor concept. No catching edges on narrow curves, no refinishing on corners. With the central arrangement of the cutter between the 4 steerable crawler tracks, the machine always follows the ideal geometric track. So even narrow curves can be mastered with ease. Power, 600 horsepower. Working width, 2 meters. Maximum milling depth, 32 centimeters. Operating weight, 32 tons. Impressive figures for the most powerful BOMAG BM 2000/60 cold milling machine. The ease with which the 168 cutters on the drum remove asphalt is always impressive. Size and efficiency. making the BM 2000/60 well suited for repair work or for complete removal of motorways and major roads. High productivity and fast truck changes is guaranteed by the generously dimensioned wide slewing conveyor belt. The large diesel tank makes operation possible practically round the clock. Perfect lighting of the job makes safe precision work possible, even under adverse conditions or at night. BOMAG cold milling machines. Our know-how for your success.